Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is JH Captured here. Let's jump right into video number 2 of the series. Hope you guys enjoy it. Let's get right into it. Oh yeah, I mean, pretty good.
I'm in between, I'm good and it's fine, but I'm tired of the grind. Then I come alive in the night to realize I'm in the middle of the time of my life. I'm never so packed for the stack, never
Platform. What's this place called? No idea? Okay. Alright. It's about 3-story drop. It's refreshing. Yeah. There's my class. Chilling over there. Watching me jump off the tower like a maniac. Unreal. I've been skydiving. I want to go bungee jumping. And I guess you'd call this somewhat cliff jumping. I call it tower jumping, but same thing.
We have an hour.
Oh, let's go.
To eat, to swim, to sketch, to...
Wait,
What are we sketching?
you were already in?
I just jumped off like twice.
You've been in here, no, you've jumped twice.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, you didn't hear me go, whoa! I jumped.
That was
Yeah.
you?
The diagram.
Neon, yeah.
space for I murder y'all. 10 bad here, I'm a curve them all. 12 missed calls and I still made a curtain call. Here to light it up, lighten up. Hear them talking, they ain't right enough, tighten up. Everything that I came for, I left with. I don't bang sets, I just bang on the set list. Going past supper when I came for the breakfast. Put me in your prayers, I might put you on the guest list. Young, to me reckless, gold in my soul, got the same on my necklace.
This is pretty high, guys.
It's not. It's not.
You got this.
Oh my god, can I push her? Would you rather jump yourself or
Do it.
fuck off? Seriously, I won't go behind.
Grab her and pull her in.
The seriousness. What's she shaking? I'm scared. Do it. 3, 2, 1.
You want to grab me from down there on that pier?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, this is John Hurst here from Copenhagen, Denmark. My heart is like beating out of my chest. This is probably the dumbest thing I'm ever going to do in my life. I need to figure out how to... What? Why not? Okay. Okay, so I was gonna do it, but Carl said no. Nice.
What are we?
Imagine our university, there's massive amounts of bikes. So imagine like a car parking lot that's condensed and you have like a tangled mass of metal. So they could kind of make like a roof system to like disguise it a little bit. Here we are, sandwiched between two early Bjarke Ingels projects. The Mountain House on this side, the VM houses on this side. We're gonna go take a look at this one too in a minute. This morning, right, we were at the Youth Maritime Center, the two boxes with the undulating deck on top. That was by Plot. So you already figured out this is the Mountain House, right? Because you can see the picture as we approached it with the perforated metal. That's kind of cool. The perforated metal and the imagery is actually pretty neat, I think. The diagram, do you remember the diagram? Who wants to explain the diagram? Of the Mountain House, do you remember?
Like a parking garage and like the houses,
Yes.
and then he like put like the parking garage under and lifted up all of the houses on top of it.
Exactly right. And a little bit more detail specifically is that the parking is all in the mountain. The mountain where you saw the picture. And the houses are all the blocky parts that are like stacked on top. And the other cool part about the housing is they're terraced. So I think it was fundamental to the scheme is that every house or apartment has a little outdoor terrace garden. So I highly recommend that we walk all the way up, around, up through the entire city, and back down over here. And this is the 8 house by Big. Like, Big is known for like shape-driven projects. Like, it's a circle, it's a triangle, it's a figure 8. But I do think, and I was ready to scorn this project until I visited for the first time, and it does a lot of things very intelligently. I think this is a contemporary, wildly contemporary version of the framing that we saw on the very first day at Amelienborg in the palace. It's an outdoor path. Do you see it right there? It wraps all the way around the building. You take the stairs all the way up to it. And on those paths, each apartment has a little front porch. Not a big one, but a little front porch. Because these are private houses and things. It does start at the bottom and kind of gradually makes its way up. So maybe we'll go in there and check that out.
So I'm visiting the 8 house designed by big architects, Copenhagen, Denmark. And because these are private houses, I have to be very discreet on filming. So I will try my best to capture everything very discreetly. Without further ado, let's get right into it.
You and me, we got something special, baby. You and me, you and me. I can think this was never meant to happen. You and me, you and me. I can't help it. I can't help it, baby. I can't help it.
Late workout, no doubt, but worth it because the view is literally to die for.